My name is Leanne Pletcher. I'm the Director of Marketing Communications here at Hilton Waikoloa Village. Hilton Waikoloa Village is located on Hawaii, the Big Island. Here at Hilton Waikoloa Village, we have miles of flagstone walkways so that guests can enjoy the beauty of our resort. Because the evenings are so beautiful here and we have so many restaurants, our guests do tend to traverse the property by foot. So we wanted to make sure that everything is lit well, so for their own safety, and to be able to see the beauty of the resort too. The importance of energy to our resort is that we are, being the largest resort on Hawaii Island, we are the largest consumer of energy. So it's important that we set a good example by being very cost efficient on all of our energy and all of our resources.
We're not unique. The awareness of LED lighting is growing rapidly. The cost savings are ever present. I do believe we're ahead of the game because of our size and our consumption. We have to be. Well, specifically our lighting challenges here at the Hilton Waikoloa are the coconut palms. 40 to 60 feet up in the air. We've got metal halide lights that take up a lot of space, very heavy, and in windy conditions. They have been known to come down, but the main problem is electrical consumption at 175 watts and requiring 2 people to change them. It's a big expense on our part. It takes a lot of man hours. Metal halide lights were located about 40 to 60 feet up in the trees. They're very high intensity. They need to be that high to not have hot spots on the ground as far as lighting effect goes. It also takes 2 mechanics to change out lights in a tree. I have to have one person climb the tree, and I have to have one control safety people underneath the tree. With the new lighting systems now, lights are mounted at ladder height, and they're considerably smaller profile and lighter, so it's not as much an issue. Previous to the KICHLER lights, it would take 2 of my guys, I would guesstimate an hour per tree, one to actually climb the tree and another to control traffic below the tree for safety's sake. Now I can have a guy put a ladder up against the tree, say at 15 foot, and change a light out when it's rarely needed in 20 minutes. So it's saving me a lot of man hours that way. Most important considerations were durability, long life, and a support system to back up the product when we chose this product. Actually, what did it was having the product in my hand. That helped me make the decision. We decided to go with the 120 volt, 12 volt system using the strengths of both systems. The 120 volt system runs underground in conduit. We don't have to worry about bad grounds. Then when we get to the tree base, we put a transformer in a box, run 12 volts up the tree, so that way there's no safety element that comes into play as far as any guests or any of the employees being exposed to higher voltage. We're experiencing savings of up to 400,000 kilowatt hours a year using the KICHLER lighting system.
As far as recommending this solution to other resorts, we most definitely would. It's been a great change for our resort in terms of cost efficiencies, return on our investment, great lighting for our guests, and just being responsible to Hawaii Island itself and conserving our resources and our energy. It would only make sense that all the resorts on the island take advantage of the same KICHLER lighting solution.